Hello and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable all email notifications from the Reddit app on your Android phone. If you want to stop getting unwanted emails from Reddit, just follow these simple steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on Profile icon at top right corner. From the drop-down menu, tap on Settings. Inside Settings, locate and tap on Account Settings. Scroll down until you find Manage Emails and tap on it. Scroll all the way down to the option Unsubscribe from all emails. Finally, turn on this option to stop all email notifications from Reddit. That's it. You have successfully disabled all Reddit email notifications on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if this helped you.